Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to download templates for your sales layout system. So if I log myself in, go to sales layout. Okay, so what I'll do here, basically if I want a totally new layout effectively, so I want to change my layout completely and download one of the ones that's stored in our server. So what you do, you go to template options and you go to download import template. So you click on there, go to accept. And these are a list of all the different templates we've already pre-designed. So for example, if I wanted to download like a wholesaler layout, so I'd click on that, click on accept, give it its name, that name's perfectly fine for me, let's accept. Give it a moment, and there we have it. I've now got a whole new one here. If I click on full edit mode now, I'll be able to see it all. So this is a brand new template now that I might want to use. I already like the design of it, I want to build on top of it, anything like that. What you can do, you can click on use selected template, and that'll be the default one to use. If we close off that now and close down and open our sales mode, and there you have it. So it's exactly the same, exactly the same database, so it's got all the same information on there, except this time it shows obviously all this new information on here. So if I wanted to do it again, for example, I wanted to download another template, or if I wanted to swap to a different one I've already previously downloaded, all you need to do is go to template options here and then select the template. So if I want to then select on this one, set that one. Same goes if I wanted to go for a safe example, go for that one. Set that one. Close that down. Reopen. And now it's using that template now. So you can literally change between templates. Same thing as well. So you can have different templates in different locations in your business as well. So you might have a completely different one for a trade counter compared to, say, your back office, or compared to, say, you might have a cafe inside your store or anything like that. So you can mix and match and have a play around with them. And the pre-done ones there are just good for you to sort of build on top of. So there you have it. Do hope that was useful. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Take care. See you next time.